And 3 people have been arrested at an illegal gas filling station within Embakasi estate during a raid conducted by the Energy Petroleum Regulatory Authority officials and DCI officers. The 3 were found at the site as they emptied gas from a truck into cylinders. EPRA says it is tracking the masterminds of the illegal site while warning Kenyans against buying cooking gas from unregulated dealers. It is estimated that oil marketing firms lose hundreds of millions of shillings in revenue every year.